to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be doing a walk around and test drive on this 1987 Iroc Z. Just a sweet car, great sounding dual exhaust.
It's kind of gnarly sounding dual exhaust.
It is.
But that's exactly how the guy wanted it. So it's got brand new exhaust on it. Engine sounds good, 2.4 injection.
It's a numbers matching motor, numbers matching transmission. New paint, paint's beautiful on it. It's got T-tops, just a lot of nice little features.
We don't get in a lot of these 80s cars, but when we do, they seem to sell fast. They're just a nice price range car. Yeah. We're going to price this one at $17,995. It's got newer paint on it. The paint job was done in the last couple years. It's got a beautiful kind of a burnt orange metallic, I would call it. Very nice that way. Engine seems to run really good. And original paint on all the jams, it looks like. And make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the floors and stuff on this. Rust-free floors, just super, super solid. And this car's damn near 30 years old, Dalton.
Yep.
And an Iroc Z, so the best you can get. We did put a new AC compressor on this car. The AC doesn't blow very good out the vents, but the air conditioner is new, so. And that's kind of how we're going to sell this one. We did do a lot of work on it already. We tightened up the steering column, you know, that kind of thing, which is pretty common for these to get loose. Gave it a little tune-up, that kind of thing. So we fixed what we're going to fix on it and just price it to kind of hopefully sell it quick. Z28 hood. It does have the T-tops. The T-tops are in really good shape. It's got the mirrored T-tops. A few little scratches, stuff like that, but again, 30 years old. New paint, and that paint looks awesome. You look up and down the sides, very solid, very straight car. Like Dalton said earlier, great sounding dual exhaust, a little loud, but sounds good. As far as nice exhaust pipes, nice tips coming out the back. Tail lights are nice. I noticed when we backed this up, even reverse lights, everything was working on it. Corner of the door fits great. It's 90,000 original miles, so with 90,000 miles, 30 years old, the interior is just a little bit dirty. The guys cleaned the heck out of it, got it looking way nicer. As far as their door panels go, they cleaned up really nice. You still got just some little discoloration in the vinyl. Corner of the doors are awesome. Door jamb paint was all done. That's beautiful. Rubbers are nice as well. Padded dash looks good. I don't see any cracks in it, as I mentioned before. We did do a bushing kit in that steering column. That was pretty loose when we got it. It's got 90,000 miles on it. So really, in all honesty, 30 years old, that's not a lot of miles. There's all your extra stuff up top, around the T-top covers, back seat. Back seat matches the front seat, excellent. It looks like that's all factory. I mean, look in the back. It's the same way. You got your T-top covers.
This door we didn't get shut.
That door, we got to adjust the door a little bit. There you go. Thanks, doll. Door shuts nice and adjusts nice when you slam it, so we'll just have to adjust that striker a little bit and make that a little easier. A few chips, and that is not on the outside really. That's on the rocker panel, on the inside rocker. You can see just a few chips right there. Bottom of the front fender is in excellent shape. Back of the hood lines it up as good as you can, and here's just a nice view of the top of that dash. Looks great. So does the roof. I like it.
Me too.
The more I look at it, the more I like it.
Yeah, it's a good looking car.
Corner of the door is in excellent shape again. Door jamb paint is all new, but this isn't. So this is original here, it looks like, and it's just got some chips in it. Seats got a little wear. You can see it's all original seats. It's got just a little wear on that cord right there, as far as you got some discoloration in the silver seat belts. But again, that's what you get with an all original 30-year-old 90,000 mile car. Okay, as far as we're going to go ahead, there's your heater. Heater works. Radio does not work. Lights up, but it does not work. I messed with that before, but that's how we're going to sell this one. Selling this one just the way it is. Yep. Wipers wipers work, oil pressure gauge works, tack works. Gas gauge works. Hell, we got a lot more things fixed than I thought we did. Amp gauge works. 90,998 miles. It's got power windows. They both work. It's got the little, whatever the hell that is.
Little time, date, miles.
Miles,
adjuster.
calendar, all that kind of jazz.
It's got some good power, and that exhaust is just a fun sound. You know,
It is pretty cool.
around.
And like I said, it doesn't have a hole in the muffler, guys. It's brand new dual exhaust. Like new dual exhaust, I should say.
Aggressive sounding. Pretty quick little car. Broke them loose there.
Definitely breaks the tires loose, don't it?
Drives good.
Like I said, doll, with the new paint and the way the interior cleaned up, it's a lot of car for the money.
Yeah, it is. It's a
I mean,
cool
you're
car.
getting in this thing under 18,000 bucks. And you know, this is the generation that's just coming out there. This is my
They're coming
age
up.
group
Yeah,
in
absolutely.
the late 40s, you know. This is what they drove to high school.
Nice shit. Awesome.
That's 80 mile an hour. And I'll tell you what, it drives absolutely perfect.
Yeah, it does.
It really does.
Yeah, good driving car.
When I first got this car in, the steering wheel kind of went like that, you know, just
The steering column
you know,
needed to be
years
built.
of
We did
getting
that.
in and out.
Yep.
And no one fixed that column, so we took that all apart and redid that. Temperature gauge is even working. That's coming up. So every one of these factory gauges are working.
Nice. The dash pad, how many?
Maybe we
most
should
of
raise the I didn't think all this stuff worked, Dalton.
And
Everything works.
everything works. And the dash on most of these is all beat up. This one looks nice. No cracks.
Yeah, from the sun. It's actually a pretty nice damn car.
Yeah, it is.
And Andy did a great job in the interior.
Yeah, cleaned up nice.
All right, now we're just going to put it in overdrive and go.
Nice.
Still shifts at 70 mile an hour.
And that exhaust, going down the road, that exhaust isn't like, we have our windows down, but it's you know, revved up. It sounds loud, but going down the road
It's
is
not
nice.
bad.
Quiet.
Not bad at here at all. Again, here's your brakes. No pull left or right. Disc brakes, power disc brakes work great. I think this is going to make somebody just a great car.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm going to get on one more time just because it's kind of fun.
Sounds good.